Okay, I'm making this recording in response to a post on MATLAB from Rtabmap. We're trying to get this Kinect to work with Ros2 and Rtabmap, and he's giving me a hand, I hope. Anyway, so what I first did, Matt, I hope I can call you Matt. Let's have a look at the Ros version I have installed. Enter. So I have Humble installed there on this laptop with no dramas. This is in response to this one here. So Humble is installed, Rtabmap installed. Like I said, Rtabmap is installed via this method without the R. Enter. So it's installed and there are no dramas in that regards. Next, lib-freenect. Everything's installed, no dramas, and freenect installed. Device. So the camera is working. And so now we're going to create a workspace and clone your package into this new Kinect workspace. New Kinect, enter. What? src. ls. We're looking for new Kinect workspace, cd, new Kinect workspace, ls, enter, src. cd, src, enter. Don't know why that didn't work. Anyway, so we are in our source directory, and now I will just go git clone. Let's do it this way. Git clone. And since we don't want to make any spelling mistakes from your discussion there, we will just grab your link, copy link, paste and hit enter. Then we go cd back to the workspace. This is your fork. So we just run this command, Ros2. Just want to show you the errors that we get from that one. So it says cannot locate Ros2 definitions for lib-freenect, and all Ros2 installed successfully. So we are there, and then we go the call on build. So we did have a std output. Something is wrong. We have a warning here for unused parameter def. We have a void connect freenect def somewhere in there. and that's recording to a 32 timestamp. Another warning: unused parameter timestamp, so it's in the same void function, so it doesn't return anything. So the connect Ros component depth, you have a timestamp issue and stuff like that. So there's a couple of errors there. Clear. So let's get back to what we're doing. So we created our workspace, and now to test a lot. Let me just close this one. So to test it, we're gonna run the connect thing we just built. So we'll bring in this one. And go source new connect install setup bash. Ros2 Humble is already installed in this environment or sourced from bash RC file. So now we'll just run Ros2 node. Run our Ros2 node. It's happy with everything except that we have to use the remap rules. I've changed a little bit, but it still works. I've tried it on other nodes as well. Let's grab our Ros2 topic and see which topics this newly installed node presents us with. So we have depth camera info, depth image raw, camera image raw, and compressed. So that's all working. I'll just move some of this off the screen. Come on, move. We'll keep that one up there for the time being. Let's run RQ2 image view so we can see if we can actually work the camera through these topics. And we have where's my topics? What's going on here? Ros2 run RQ2 image view. Never mind. Image view. Now I can get RGB image raw. That's a bit slow. Compressed. Good enough to drive the robot around with, so that's good. That's awesome. I can totally operate my remote, my bot now. It won't allow me compressed depth images. It just complains about it. Oh, it does. Wow. So we are getting some depth feedback there. And when I ask for compressed, yeah, no, it doesn't like that. Image raw compressed data. So image raw compressed depth seems to work, and fairly fast. So we have something coming off there. That's closed. RQ2. When I run rvis to inspect the depth points, it brings it up, but under global options there's nothing. There's no camera base link or connect link or nothing. So let's go add point cloud 2 anyway, and we'll select the topic for our point cloud, which is points, and we enter that. So we've got a status OK there, but there's nothing showing anywhere. Zoom in, zoom out, up, down, left, right, there's nothing there. So for some reason I think this namespace or base link or something is a fault, I think, with my very limited knowledge. So now that we have our node running, to the topics again. My node's still running. Appears to be. Oh yes, it's still running, yes. So topics stay the same. Now let's run our Rtabmap, the one we actually after to try and get working. Enter this Rtabmap examples. When you install Rtabmap, it doesn't update the examples file. So I downloaded Rtabmap and copied the Xbox file, Python file, over to my Rtabmap installed in Ros. So there's that up and running. It subscribes to the Rtabmap Kinect workspace, Kinect depth, Kinect this and that, which we didn't have in our topic lists. So this is the output from Rtabmap. There's nothing, and I don't know how to get it to work. Save config, edit, detection, tools, window. So that doesn't work. Actually cancel, just move it off screen. And if we run our topic list now, clear, we have all our Rtabmap outputs, which is awesome. And we have our camera image RGB and our depth image raw, depth image camera, but added by Rtabmap is our Kinect depth image raw and image raw. Now these topics are probably empty. Let's just, for the fun of it, go Ros2 run RQT. I must have hit caps lock again. RQT image view RQT, enter, and we will change to image RGB. There's our image, blah blah, very slow. So let's pick one of these new Kinect RGB camera info. There's only two connects there. So we have image, Rtabmap Kinect RGB image raw, and nothing. Because this topic isn't published by the camera, this topic is published by the Rtabmap node. It wants to subscribe to this topic, but there's no such topic. Just stopping this Rtabmap 1, close without saving, and Control C. Okay, let's rerun that Kinect node, but we remap RGB image to Rtabmap Kinect image, and we remap the RGB camera info to Kinect camera info, and remap depth image to Kinect depth registered image. I do not see raw. Looking at this there, it doesn't seem to require the Rtabmap depth or Kinect depth camera info. So I'm leaving that one out for now. Let's run this node with the new remapped topics. Enter. All the normal complaints, warnings, point cloud, expanded image transport. I have no idea what all this means. Anyway, out of the way, let's run this again. Clear. So let's see the new topics. Ros2 topic lists. So now we have the camera node running, and we have just camera info and Rtabmap connect. So we've got a new topics that Rtabmap requires. Now let's get back to this one and run our Ros2. Never mind. Clear. Ros2 connect at launch. So we have all the right topics and stuff now. Oh my word. This did not work yesterday. Now it does. Well, what do I say about that? Yesterday it didn't work, today it works. I'll post this online anyway, just for other people. Thank you. And let me know how I can contribute to your worthy cause.